Hey superstar, I know that you're tired of feeling like your job doesn't match your ambition. And I know for a surety that you have been craving a career that is creative and innovative. Now, let me tell you this, you deserve to work with global companies and experience the joy of building products that solve real-world problems. At Hackademia, we offer 12-week programs designed to equip you with the skills needed to launch a new career in tech. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to upskill, we have courses in product design, software development, product management, and product marketing to help you become job ready. Are you a small business owner or a teacher, or you work from 9 to 5? You deserve more. I am very sure that you deserve more. Now, our courses are tailored for people like you who are balancing work, balancing life, balancing career, and also balancing a desire for more. With flexible evening classes, live sessions led by industry experts, and a community supportive to you as a learner, we adopt a practical and project-based learning approach which allows you to build your portfolio and boost your confidence. Plus, our community supports you continuously even after you have completed the program. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. What are you waiting for? Sign up to join us today.